Thank you so very much. Hello and welcome to Juicing Julie. Come right in. Let's make our golden plant milk shots.
Wow!
An immunity booster and an anti-inflammatory shot. Our first ingredient in this recipe is pumpkin seed. Now, pumpkin seed milk is a great alternative for dairy products. So if you're like me that can't tolerate dairy milk, then pumpkin seed is for you. This particular one I've soaked for 48 hours to help with blending and juicing. So it is ready to go. All we need to do is to wash it thoroughly with clean water and clean utensils. Now, pumpkin seed is very high in magnesium, making it great for heart health, our nervous system, and our muscles, helping with the contraction and relaxation of our muscles, thereby promoting relaxation and sleep as well. It is so creamy, pumpkin seed milk. I just love it. Next on the list is the famous turmeric. This is fresh turmeric. Turmeric is a superfood that is loaded with loads of antioxidants, making it great for heart health, helps to reduce inflammation and joint pain, great for brain health and memory function. The curcumin, an ingredient in turmeric, helps to improve mood, and so on and so forth. Now this is ginger, another powerhouse of antioxidants, and also contains anti-inflammatory properties. It is great for our heart, for our guts, including things like indigestion, motion sickness. It also has antibacterial and antiviral properties that makes it perfect for fighting all sorts of cold and flu. It's a great addition to this shot. Carrot is also included in this mix. Carrots are great and have relevant ingredients that help to improve eye health, boost our immunity, great to make our skin pop and glow, also boosts heart health and protects our liver. I told you this is a fortified golden milk shot. I'm not lying. As if all the others are not enough, we have fresh thyme leaves to add to the mix. Thyme is great for the skin. It helps to fight acne. It helps to improve blood pressure. Also great for alleviating cough, boost immunity. It's an anti-disinfectant and contains relevant nutrients that makes it perfect for boosting mood. Okay, now we also have black pepper. Black pepper has loads of health benefits, including digestive health, prevents constipation, great for skin health and treating skin problems, good for hair growth, managing weight loss. It also helps with respiratory health and treats depression. The main essence of adding black pepper, apart from all its health benefits, is the fact that it helps in the absorption of turmeric, and turmeric is one of our main ingredients in this golden plant milk shot. I told you it's fortified. Anyway, I know you're already seeing the washing going on. It is important to wash. Clean hands, clean fruits and vegetables, clean utensils. Very crucial. It's juice time. Come on, let's juice. I'm so excited about this milk. Proper plant-based, fortified, do-it-yourself milk shot, like an immunity booster, a proper wellness shot. A combination of all of this will do your body good. It is for long life and healthy living. Remember to make food your medicine. I said it, to make food your medicine. Otherwise, medicine will become food. I'm still loving this my juicer, Fridja F500. It's literally making me so proud. Oops, I nearly forgot to add my black pepper. It's time to add black pepper. I love it hot and spicy, so I've added round about half a teaspoon of black pepper in there. But do you and be you. Look at our golden plant milk. Oh my god, look at that fortified milk shot. Look at the color popping. Oh, anyway, I chose to sieve it because I don't want any particles, and this Fridja juicer has done it well. Here we go, ready to drink, ready to serve up. Freshly made with readily available ingredients, no additives, no preservatives. The golden plant-based milk shot. Enjoy! Remember to subscribe, leave your comments, like this video. I would love to hear from you in the comment section. You can also store it in a jar like this one with a lid that can lock properly. Put it in the fridge. It can last for up to 3 days for you. Till I see you next time, don't forget to make food your medicine. You can also click on these videos that are popping up to watch other interesting recipes. Bye.